In today's video, I will walk you through how to create folder for playlists on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Make sure you're signed into the account where your playlists are located, then give the interface a moment to load your library. You'll be working in the left sidebar, under Your Library, where your playlists are listed. Next, move your mouse to the playlist area in the left sidebar. Right-click directly on an existing playlist, or right-click in any empty space within the playlist list. If you're using a trackpad, you can use a two-finger click. On some keyboards, you can also hold Control and click. The goal is to open the Quick menu in the playlist section of your library. From the menu that appears, look for the option to create a folder. Depending on your interface, it may say Create Folder or New Playlist Folder. Select that option. Spotify will instantly prepare a new folder, and you'll see a text field ready for a name. Type a clear, descriptive name for the folder. When you're finished entering the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. If you want to change the name later, right-click the folder and choose the Rename option. That's it. Your folder is now created. You'll see it appear in the left sidebar within your library, alongside your playlists. If your Spotify window is very narrow and you don't immediately see your library, maximize the window so the sidebar is fully visible. If the context menu doesn't appear when you right-click, make sure you're clicking directly in the playlist list area, rather than outside the library section. Once your new folder is named and saved, the folder is ready in your Spotify library. Thank you for watching.